不一样 quality。
OK。
最贵的是这个好像。
它怎样？很硬哎。
Hi, my friends. So now we are here at Caversham Wildlife Park, and this is where you can try and milk the cow. Dairy cows usually produce 20 liters to 26 liters of milk every single day. Still waiting here at the queue before we can try and milk the cow.
好，可以挤了。OK。
在这里。
然后那边。
Okay, now it is Kakatan's turn to milk the cow.
Alright, so hold it tight. Give it a big squeeze, right? And hold it there. Ready? This one? Yeah. That's it. Right, and then squeeze it there. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze hard. Yes, very good. Well done.
怎么样 feeling 呢？
诶，真的假？
真的。
Hello，好肥啊你。
After milking the cow, I also did the milking. We are now here at the animal barn. There is this chicken, it looks quite special, and the goat, it looks quite friendly. There's a turkey in front of me. This is the first time I've seen a turkey. Okay, now let's go have a look around and see what animals are here in this place. Hello, hello, what are you doing there? The best thing about being here at Caversham Wildlife Park is there's a lot of interaction that you can do with the animals.
没有那种大象看。
这边是那个。
很稍微。
I guess that goat loves the pole. The next part is an area where we have to wait for it to open. 来排队跑那个。
要不是这够用的。
You can also take photo with this python at this particular station.
Ja, då är det inte den i alla fall.
These are the birds of prey. Do you love birds?
那个有谁为什么还要笑？
它最后一句呢，
In front of us is a laughing
住房圈
kookaburra.
边啊，
那里？哦
最后一句你看到吗？
，OK。
它为什么要笑？你看到吗？
Laugh is advertised. Okay, this is the last part of the Caversham Wildlife Park tour, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. I spent quite a long time here at this park. I think around 2 to 3 hours, if I'm not mistaken.
很多帅。
Okay, some more python picture taking session. 你要去吗？去吧，不用怕的。